Welcome to the stunning world of coral reefs, where vibrant colors and remarkable sea life create one of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth.
Coral reefs are sometimes referred to as the rainforests of the sea, due to their rich biodiversity.
These undersea structures are formed by tiny animals called coral polyps, which belong to a group of organisms known as cnidaria. Coral reefs take up less than 1% of the ocean floor, yet they are home to more than 25% of all marine species.
Reefs are vital to the world's fisheries, providing a nursery for about a quarter of the ocean's fish.
Did you know that reefs can help mitigate damage from powerful ocean storms? They act as natural breakwaters.
The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest coral reef system in the world, spanning over 2,300 kilometers.
Corals are not plants, they are actually animals related to jellyfish and sea anemones.
Some corals have been found to be useful in modern medicine, offering potential treatments for viruses and even cancer.
The vibrant colors of corals come from the symbiotic relationship with tiny algae called zooxanthellae.
Coral reefs can grow at various rates, from 1 centimeter to 10 centimeters per year, depending on the species and conditions.
Reefs also play a crucial role in carbon and nitrogen fixing, helping maintain the health of our oceans.
Most coral reefs are found in tropical and subtropical waters within 30 degrees north or south of the equator.
Coral bleaching occurs when corals become stressed, often due to increases in water temperature, causing them to expel the algae.
Despite their beauty, coral reefs are under significant threat from human activities such as pollution, overfishing, and climate change.
Some species of corals can live for thousands of years, making them some of the oldest living creatures on Earth.
The interconnectedness of life on coral reefs is astounding, with many fish species relying on corals for survival and vice versa.
There are 3 main types of coral reefs: fringing reefs, barrier reefs, and atolls.
Fringing reefs are the most common and grow directly from the shoreline.
Barrier reefs are separated from land by a lagoon of open water, with the Great Barrier Reef being the most famous example.
Atolls are ring-shaped reefs that encircle an entire lagoon but not an island.
Corals use a combination of sexual and asexual reproduction to form their extensive colonies.
Every year, corals participate in a synchronized spawning event, releasing eggs and sperm into the water at the same time.
The diverse species found in coral reefs include fish, mollusks, echinoderms, sponges, and crustaceans.
Seahorses, clownfish, and sea turtles are some of the iconic inhabitants of coral reefs.
Some fish species, such as parrotfish, play a crucial role in the health of coral reefs by cleaning them of algae.
Reef-building corals secrete calcium carbonate to create their hard exoskeletons, which act as the foundation of the reef.
Coral reefs offer cultural benefits to many coastal communities, providing sustenance and spiritual value.
Underwater currents and waves constantly bring in nutrients, sustaining the diverse life forms in the reef.
Artificial reefs made from structures like sunken ships can promote coral growth and marine biodiversity.
The temperature and clarity of water are essential factors for coral growth, requiring shallow, warm, and clean waters. Marine protected areas have been established worldwide to help preserve these crucial ecosystems.
Efforts to replant and restore damaged coral reefs are underway, using techniques like coral gardening.
Rising sea levels pose a significant risk to coral reefs, potentially smothering them under deeper waters.
Education and awareness are critical for the conservation of coral reef ecosystems, ensuring future generations can enjoy their splendor.
Satellite technology can now monitor coral health from space, identifying bleaching events as they occur.
Coral reefs support ecotourism, providing a livelihood for millions of people around the world.
In addition to fish, many bird species rely on reefs for food, demonstrating the far-reaching impact of these habitats.
The natural beauty of coral reefs has inspired countless works of art, music, and literature throughout history.
To protect the reefs we all depend on, we must act now, reducing emissions, pollution, and human interference with these precious ecosystems.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the magical world of coral reefs. Together, let's champion conservation efforts and ensure a bright future for our oceans.